Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Hey you guys, I'm on my kitchen table and I just want to record this video super quick, okay? It's gonna be wobbly, it's gonna be a little, shaky, but I just got my Coffee Monsterz Co. Oh my gosh. I just got my Coffee Monsterz Co. Subscription, you guys, and oh, I'm so excited. I want to open it with you. I just cut the top. This is hard with one hand, okay? Excuse me. There we go. All right, so let's take a look. You can see me, I think. All right, so let's open it up. And you know what? I should open it with my other hand, huh? Oh, what I see, some washi. Hey, come on, girl. Let's do this. Okay. Okay, leave the opening with one hand to the professionals, okay? Not me, because it took me forever. So let me show you. It comes with a die cut. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, so cute, so cute. It comes with some paper clips. Let me see. Yeah, 2 paper clips, and it has emojis. Yeah, so sweet. A pink and a purple. Super sweet. It comes with a note. Oh my goodness. It comes with a clipboard. It's super small, okay? This is like a 4x6. This is a smaller, or 3x5 maybe. It's a smaller clipboard, but it's so adorable. It's super cute. Okay, what else do we have here? Let's see. A notepad, obviously, so we can use it with the clipboard. And let me show you the emojis there. Super cute. And all right, so we have 2 sticker sheets here. This one, oh my goodness, they're so cute. Look at that. So tiny icons, super tiny. And then this one, I think this one's deco. Yeah, this one is deco. Oh, super cute. I'm looking through my camera viewfinder, okay? I'm looking at my camera, so it's kind of blurry to me. I hope it's not blurry for you. And here we have 2 rolls of washi. So this one, I can't see, you guys. Oh, look at this one. It has glasses and has a pen. So, oh, so cute. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm gonna open the rolls and then I'll put it here on the paper so I can show you, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so let me just bring you a little bit closer. Let's hope that this is frame. You can see the washi here. This is a Modi working, I guess. Yeah, phone calls, computer. Looks like working or studying. And then these ones are just little clipboards and books, sticky notes and such. The second one, this one right here, this roll has I don't know what color foil this is, you guys. It looks like a very pale, either pink or gold or silver. Oh my gosh, I don't know, but it's beautiful. It's really pretty. And here's the emojis. So that is the new subscription. All right, you guys, so this is what's in the new subscription box. What is it called? And I can't believe I got it already. I usually have to wait forever for my stuff from the Coffee Monsterz Co., but this time I have it all here. So this is just a quick video to show you what I got. And if you're not subscribed to her subscription box, and if you haven't subscribed, I'll leave you the link to the Coffee Monsterz Co. Website so you can check them out. All right, you guys. All right, thank you. I'll see you on my next video. Bye with one hand.